Today we're beginning the most difficult project we've ever done here at CJ, so much so I needed Brendan and Matt both to assist me. This is one you're not going to want to miss. So our plan here was to see how long it could take three relatively decent mechanics to put a 1,000-piece puzzle together. So we looked online, and it typically was 4 to 7 hours.
4 to 7 hours, yeah.
For a skilled person to put a 1,000-piece puzzle together. I've never done a 1,000-piece puzzle. I don't know if Brendan has. Never. I don't know whose stupid idea this was. I think it was mine. But we're gonna try. So can the three of us put this puzzle together in an hour? Let's find out. If you're unsure of the process, there are no tools required for a project like this. Simply take two pieces that appear to match, line them up, press them together, then repeat the process about 998 more times. All right, Matt, you're the puzzle guy here. What's your plan here?
Well, I guess this is almost like just a regular install.
Kind of like putting a Hemi in a Jeep.
Figure out all the components and then lay them all out on the table. That way we have everything
and
right
then we
here.
do half of it, and then Brendan repeats the process on the other side.
Yeah, we'll make Brendan do the other side. So as long as we get half of it done.
So we're gonna start with, let's get all the colors up. And
yeah.
Start the edges.
All right.
That's the visible marker light.
See, this could be that corner or that corner. Nah.
Matt, here.
You got more?
Look at this. There you go.
What's that?
I don't know. Probably down the
Here you go, Matt. What is that? I don't know.
I need another piece. I think this thing's missing a piece.
We should have probably counted the pieces first.
Brendan? This is so bad. None of the pieces match.
You got a light and a horse and another light.
We got the entire upper row done. Corner to corner, baby.
It will be like an hour later. We're like, we got this and that. All right, so the verdict is we're not very good at puzzles. We are exactly an hour in. I have a grill and a headlight. They have just about finished the frame. We're gonna call in some more support here and see if we can bang this thing out. Obviously, we failed in doing it in an hour, but we're gonna stick at it and see how long it takes. So we've been at this for 4 hours?
Ish,
Somewhere
yes.
around 4 hours. One thing you've heard me say many times, and Matt as well, is when you're about halfway done an installation, we always say, hey, it's time to repeat the process on the other side. The person that repeats the process is Brendan. So we're about halfway done with the puzzle. We'll let him repeat the process for us, and we're out of here.
Thanks, bud. All right, that's 5 o'clock.
Only a couple pieces to put back in. Yeah. 500 out of 1,000. Yeah, that's bull.